In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Oster blenders in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which best Oster blenders is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Oster 7-Speed Fusion Blender. Effective 600-watt motor of ice squashing power, with 7 pre-programmed electronic speeds. Reversible blade innovation fights to obstruct. 6-cup dishwasher safe, and the scratch immune glass jar is thermal shock evaluated to withstand extreme temperature adjustments. Oster all-metal drive for enduring longevity. Ice crusher blade crushes ice as well as frozen fruit. The turning around motor changes the blade's direction to remove clogging as well as to mix as well as slice efficiently, while 7 speeds, for effective ice crushing blades, and 2 accuracy food processing blades provide control and also power. Offered you by the One Blender brand. A blender or food processor that's anything however standard. Your life isn't standard. Your blender should not be either. With this Oster blender, you do not need to give up top quality for simplicity. A 6-cup glass jar is a dishwashing machine risk-free, as well as has actually been thermal shock tested, so you can draw it out of a steamy dishwasher and also securely make a wintry cool beverage right now. The stainless steel relatively easy to fix blade adjustments instructions immediately draw components right into the container, no clogging. Here is the item number 4, Oster BLSTTS-CB2-000 Pro Blender. Perfect uniformity and no uncertainty, this simple Oster blender or food processor takes the guesswork out of mixing shakes, soups, drinks, and salsas to the best uniformity. Appearance pick modern technology. Cutting-edge appearance select technology gives you much more consistent control than a typical blender or food processor. You can pick 3 automated food settings, smoothie, shake, and food chop, and 3 automated appearance setups, thin, tool, and also thick. Twin instructions blades, dual direction blade. Modern technology draws ingredients to the blade to produce one of the most constant blends. 1200 height watts, blender offers 1200 height watts and also an extra large 3-inch, 6-point stainless steel blade to slice with the toughest active ingredients. Take it on the move, makes a terrific smoothie mix blender or personal blender or food processor, includes 2 24 ounces. Blend and go mugs. Triton jar, 8-cup Triton container is dishwasher safe, BPA free, and resistant to spots and also odors. The ingenious appearance select settings of this Oster blender or food processor take the uncertainty out of obtaining the perfect uniformity from your blends. Texture select technology allows you to choose your thickness, from velvety healthy smoothies and also chunky salsa, to great soups and juices, as well as whatever in between. The item number 3, Oster Blender 6-cup glass jar. Refresh your blender. 3-piece blender or food processor jar refresher set gives you the added container you need if replacing an old one, or if you are enjoyable large teams. Durable glass layout, dishwasher safe, scratch resistant Boraclass glass container is thermal shock evaluated. Removable filler cap, removable filler cap for easy and convenient filling and measuring. Fits many Oster blender or food processors, suitable with the adhering to models. Heritage Blend, Classic Series, Reverse Crush, Perform Blend, Exact Blend 6-cup, 10-speed blender or food processor, Fast Blend, Accurate Blend 5-cup, Pure Blend, Precise Blend, Accurate Blend, and also Straightforward Blend. Wonderful value, conserve money by changing your container, not your blender or food processor. Freshens your blender or food processor jar, cover, and filler cap so you can rapidly get back to mixing. 6-cup dishwasher safe, as well as scratch-resistant glass container, is thermal shock evaluated to endure extreme temperature level changes. Removable filler cap for simple and also convenient filling and measuring. Number 2 in our list, Oster Blender Travel Sport. Mix your favorite smoothie mix or drink right in the sporting activity bottle. Dishwashing machine risk-free 20 ounces BPA complimentary plastic sport container. Crush ice with 400 watts of power, 250 blending watts. One-touch blending action. Constructed in, a resettable fuse will certainly restore the motor in 15 minutes must it get too hot. Dishes consisted of the user's manual. The Oster My Blend blender is an individual-sized blender or food processor, as well as a sporting activity bottle that is designed to fit your active, hectic lifestyle. With quick and also hassle-free one-touch mixing, you can produce your preferred smoothies, protein shakes, as well as more to appreciate in your home, on a run, or at the office. The easy-to-use My Blend enables you to personalize the materials of your combined drink as well as control the active ingredients. Just fill the My Blend sporting activity bottle with components from your favorite dish, blend, and also deal with your day. Once you have enjoyed your smoothie mix or healthy protein shake, you can recycle your My Blend sporting activity container throughout the day to remain moisturized with water and various other drinks. The top one in our list, Oster Blender Brushed Nickel. Smart settings, modern technology, and also 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed setups for the most typical mixer developments. Dual direction blade technology for additional mixing power to chop as well as grind with accuracy added. Vast 3.5-inch blade system allows ingredients to flow down into the blade simpler for faster and smoother results. 1200 power watts and also 900 watts of ice squashing power. 6-mug dishwashing machine. Secure Boraclass glass jar stands up to thermal shock. Pulse feature for included control and precision. Features a 50% bigger blade system, contrasted to previous Oster mixer designs, as well as trademark twin instructions blade innovation that blends in ahead and reverse activity. Includes added big ability 24 ounces smoothie cup. This Oster Pro 1200 mixer plus healthy smoothie mug has an effective electric motor that constantly crushes ice, pulverizes eco-friendlies, as well as turns icy fruit into sorbet. 7 rates consisting of 3 smart setups get rid of uncertainty and offer one-touch controls for salsas, drinks, as well as smoothie mixes. As well as the double instructions blade ups blending power and also rate. Mixing just got better with the Oster Pro 1200 Plus. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Oster blenders amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.